Hey there! Today we're going to talk about something that's supposed to be relaxing, but for a lot of us can actually feel kind of intimidating, your very first spa day. So let's pull back the curtain and demystify the whole thing, shall we?
Do you know that feeling? You want to book a massage or a facial, but then you hesitate. You're not sure what to expect or what the rules are or how it all even works. If that's you, trust me, you are not alone. It's a super common feeling for first-timers, and it's exactly why we're going to break it all down today.
But don't you worry, because that's what we're here for. We're literally going to walk you through the entire experience, from start to finish. We'll be using the Golden Hour Spa as our guide, just to show you how simple and how incredibly enjoyable this can be.
Okay, so you've booked your appointment, you walk through the front door, now what? Well, the whole point from this moment on is to immediately shift your brain from busy day mode into a state of total relaxation.
The second you step inside, you're hit with this just deliberately calming environment. You've got the soft lighting, the gentle music. All of it is designed to help you unwind before your treatment even starts. It's like a powerful, instant signal to your brain telling it, okay, time to switch off. And here is probably the most important thing to remember. You don't need to know anything. The staff is going to give you a super warm welcome and a quick little orientation. They'll explain how everything works, so there's absolutely zero pressure on you to be some kind of spa expert.
All right, next up, your first big decision. But I promise, it's way easier than it sounds. How do you pick the perfect treatment for you?
Really, it all comes down to one simple question. What's my goal today? If your body is full of muscle tension and little aches, a massage is your answer. Something like a Swedish massage is perfect for pure relaxation, while a deep tissue treatment gets right in there to work out specific knots. But if you're looking for that healthy, glowing skin, then a facial is the way to go. See? It's really that simple. So, you've made your choice. Let's head into the treatment room. What's it actually like to get your first professional massage or facial?
This right here, this quote, captures the whole vibe. Your therapist's #1 job is making sure you're comfortable. They're trained to communicate with you and to work at a nice, slow, relaxing pace. And here's a little pro tip. You get to decide if you want to chat or just be quiet. Don't feel like you have to make small talk. Your therapist will totally follow your lead. This is your time.
And if you go for a facial, it's not just relaxing, it's also pretty educational. Your esthetician will walk you through every single step explaining what each product is doing for your skin. So you leave not just with a great glow, but with some useful tips for your own skincare routine at home. It's all designed to feel secure and really informative.
Okay, let's talk about spa etiquette. And please forget about strict rules. Think of these more as just simple, helpful tips to get the absolute most out of your visit and feel completely at ease.
This little checklist is basically your key to a perfect, stress-free day. Getting there a bit early gives you time to just decompress. And when we say speak up, we really mean it. Is the room a little chilly? Is the pressure too much? Are you ticklish? Just say something. Your therapist genuinely wants to tailor the experience just for you, so your feedback is not just welcome, it's encouraged.
And hey, let's not forget about all the little things that make such a big difference. Wrapping yourself up in a soft, cuddly robe and just sitting in a quiet waiting room, that's all part of the experience. These details are there on purpose to help you fully unwind and just enjoy your time.
So you've had a fantastic first experience. But why do so many people make this a regular thing in their lives? Well, it all comes down to the lasting benefits. This is why it really matters. Regular visits can lead to real, tangible improvements in your life. We're talking less muscle pain, better sleep, healthier skin. It's not just a one-time treat. It's more like an investment in your overall well-being. And honestly, that's the main takeaway here. From the moment you walk in to the moment you leave, the whole experience is built to be simple, calming, and just enjoyable. It's not a test you have to pass. It's a space that's designed purely for you to help you relax and recharge.
So, now that we've walked through it all, the only question left is the really fun one. With all the mystery gone and a world of relaxation just waiting for you, what are you going to choose for your first spa?